Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest work from home opportunities. Today, we're sharing the top 10 companies that are always hiring remote employees. First on our list is Amazon, with positions ranging from customer service to data entry, and pay starting at $15 per hour. Next up is Apple, known for their at-home advisor role, paying approximately $16 per hour. Third, we have Dell, offering various remote positions in IT and technology, paying an average of $18 per hour. Moving on to number 4, we have Williams-Sonoma, known for hiring remote customer service associates, paying around $14 per hour. At number 5, we have United Health Group, offering work-from-home positions in the healthcare field, with an average hourly wage of $17. Sixth on our list is Kaplan, a company specializing in online education, providing remote tutoring positions with pay ranging from $15 to $30 per hour. Next up is Hilton, offering remote reservations and customer service roles, with pay starting at $12 per hour. Number 8 on our list is American Express, known for their virtual customer service jobs, paying approximately $16 per hour. Ninth, we have Salesforce, a company that hires remote employees for various roles, with average pay around $20 per hour. Last but not least, we have Convergys, offering remote customer service agent positions, with an hourly pay of $12 on average. These are just a few of the many companies that have embraced remote work and offer consistent job opportunities. If you're looking to work from home, keep an eye on their job boards and don't miss out on these great opportunities.